Hello, explorers. Today, we are doing a walking tour of the Broadway Arts District here in Indiana. We cannot wait to eat our way through Broadway Arts District, maybe go antiquing, maybe look at art. You walking with us?
Hey, I'm Rodney.
And I'm Jade.
And this is our
explorations list.
Hello, explorers. I don't know about y'all, but have you noticed those gas prices? Whoo, they're high. So, what we suggest is that you go explore your town and do a walking tour of some cool place. Today, we are doing a walking tour of the Broadway Arts District here in Fort Wayne, Indiana. I think we have a pretty cool itinerary for y'all. First stop is Davy's Delicious Bagels. Rodney, what did you order today?
I got a bagel with egg, cheese, and turkey bacon on it, on an Asiago bagel, by the way. And these bagels are boiled, so they're nice, soft, almost pillowy, I would say.
Yes.
And it was delicious. It was very good.
That's a really good word for it, pillowy.
Mm-hmm.
I got what's called the Sunrise, and I got it on a jalapeno cheddar. Oh my Lord. Okay, so what comes on the Sunrise is just egg, cheese, and their like Davy's special sauce. It's a little spicy. So with the jalapeno cheddar bagel, it was a little spicier. But did I eat the whole thing? Of course I did. Would I get it again? 20 out of 20 times.
Yeah, this was a good way to start our morning here and our little walking tour.
Yeah. And of course, you know, explorers, we got coffee. I'm missing my mouth. I got a hazelnut latte, and it's just divine.
Mm-hmm.
It could be I'm jonesing for coffee today.
And I got a small caramel cappuccino, and it's very good as well. I'm a little surprised. I asked Jade actually why we haven't stopped for coffee here before. We should probably do it more often.
We really should. We're like, yeah, we should. I foresee a future here.
Mm-hmm.
So another thing I wanted to highlight is that what I really like about Davy's Delicious Bagels is that every room is like decorated cool.
Yeah.
There's like a chalk room, flower room, art room.
There's lots of local art in here. And, okay, this is going to sound hopefully not too pretentious, but if anyone's ever been to Budapest and the layout here and the different rooms and things kind of remind me of a ruin bar where they're just decorated kind of weird and have a bunch of artwork and different things. Yeah, it's really interesting.
Okay, I want to go to Budapest. This stop at Sassy Cakes expirations list got some sweet treats. I got a chocolate lavender cupcake, and Rodney got the Nutter Butter cookie. You want to try them with us? Let's try them. Okay, what are we doing first? You want to do the cupcake first? It's so cute. So cute. Okay. Smells really good, and it smells like lavender. That is delicious.
Describe it.
Chocolate and lavender are meant to go together. The lavender's like light. It's not overbearing, because sometimes lavender can be overbearing. This is really, really, really darn good. I wish you could taste it for the camera.
I'm going to try the Nutter Butter Cookie. See it? Ooh. Okay. Thick, good peanut butter cookie with buttercream frosting on top. Lightly sweet. Very good, actually. Probably put me in a sugar coma later, though. That's good.
Good Bread is an amazing local bakery. They are very active in our community and they help out a lot of people, especially the homeless population in Fort Wayne. If you can, go visit them. Their bread is amazing. Their Pop-Tarts are awesome. And obviously, their s'mores scone. Ugh, to die for. They were so friendly here. This gallery is really cool. They change their exhibit monthly. In June, they will be featuring encaustics. Rodney and I cannot wait to go to their opening.
So, we are in Gallery 02, which shares a lot of space with a lot of artists. It's amazing. There are galleries and studios here. There's also creative framing, and there's a vintage shop at the bottom called Easy Tiger. This is seriously probably one of the coolest places I've ever been to in Fort Wayne. It's amazing.
Yeah, this is kind of cool back here.
This is so cool. We got our drinks. What'd you get, babe? Oh, what's your called again?
This is the barrel-aged pecan Manhattan.
delicious. And I got the honey lemon buzz mocktail. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. This is going to become my favorite bar. The drinks are top notch. And once I can indulge in alcohol again, I am visiting this place often. This bar is so beautiful, and the art pieces, mwah, chef's kiss.
So Rodney and I have noticed gas is a little high. So we decided maybe we should just walk around Fort Wayne. I bet you have somewhere in your city that you can do a really cool walking tour. Let us know in the comments. Where are you walking? Where do you live? What you thinking? Okay, this is on.
There we go.
Where are we? Davey's Delicious Bagels.
We are.
It was delicious.